Laitkam belai kumba kat nyotli hagi Garo region bat kan rutli ha Khasi region kanai kadai jimpentep Laitkam lapentep da Meghalaya State Rural Livelihoods Society MSRLS tarikat do babendap yang application form kadai link ba online platform sabuk kali description kadai kat tarik September arajar pusan kita kadaki kam balabu untuk di post beberapa kumba southly but ki kam balai kat nyotli ha Garo region but kat rutli ha Khasi region. The Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society seeks application from citizens of Meghalaya for filling of various posts at Block Mission Management Unit. Online application is available in msrls.nic.in. Last date of application kadai 15 September 2025. And then the job requires extensive tours and night stays in remote rural areas of the state, so only candidates who have the commitment to serve rural and possess the requisite aptitude should apply. Local candidates will be given preference. Kamjid itu badai local, kum gitu badai na po Garo region, kinam kam sajid sa po Khasi region, ang taki badai na po Khasi region, kinam kam sajid sa ki thang Garo region. Taki dagi cingsam yaki post kita ki number of vacancy nam taki post pa po block project manager R Garo sa Khasi region natal project executive sa Garo region 0 hapo Khasi region taki jing seo live kan hajar block project manager nang ta ka project executive kadai live hajar aspa na block accountant sa Garo region nan Rio Khasi region ka jing seo live hajar aspa tadang tahapo nam taka post block MIS coordinator like nyotli Garo region Rio tli Khasi region kajing seo dai arpin Rio hajar kajing seo man banai. Taking a post look kadai na banta it's purely temporary and on contract basis and no claim whatsoever for permanent position from the government. Taking the guidelines, application and eligibility criteria for various posts under MSRLS. Nanti kalau patai kumdo ban like ban yok ban apply, yakin iki post, ang like cakap website cakap msrls.nic.in, nanti like apa notice board, nanti like recruitment, sayok kaling ban apply yakin iki kam paper. On the candidate should have obtained at least 45% marks from recognized universities or institutions as the case may be. The maximum age for SC/ST candidates is relaxable with 5 years. Tanong taka online yakitig staff la try lupa hapo MSRLS staff having degree in any subject with the following criteria may apply. Minimum of 3 years of working experience in MSRLS applying for manager post, serial number 1 of the annexure 1. Bagi staff la trilpa baka MSRLS so gabna apply la dagidon yaki qualification bakidon yaka minimum of 3 years working with MSRLS. Can apply nakabanta ka post number 1. Take documents ban penbiang nakabanta ban apply online kaya resume or CV and the category certificate ST/SC general OBC and the highest educational qualification certificate showing percentage nangta bat ka experience certificate or appointment order. The method of recruitment, the shortlisted candidates will be informed by email and subjected to undergo the multimodal selection process which include a preliminary examination that will test the verbal, quantitative and analytical abilities of the candidates, and thereafter the group discussion skill test and or any such tests such as MSRLS may design. The screening of the candidates will take place at every stage of the examination. The preliminary examination will be held at Shillong. Nataki documents candidates can upload only in PDF or JPG format before submitting, and the maximum document size should be up to 10 MB. Kato na bantaki general sections nakabanta ban apply online. Karon sa point nakabanta kadiba na any candidate furnishing incorrect information or making false declaration regarding his or her Eligibility at any stage or suppressing any matter information is liable to be debarred from appearing in any recruitment stage and would entail summary rejection of the candidature for this recruitment. The canvassing directly and indirectly for the above mentioned post shall disqualify a candidate and the decision of SL shall be final. The qualification by experience nam taga post block project manager startup village entrepreneurship program BPM SPEP kaching sio de lai phukhandai hajar man bunai. Postgraduate or graduate in a subject with mathematics as a subject till class 12 from a recognized university and minimum 2 years of work experience in a business producer organization or minimum 2 years of working experience in livelihoods related projects, rural development and poverty alleviation programs, or minimum 2 years of working experience in working with startup village entrepreneurship program SBEP like project. The individuals having experience in training rural masses are preferred within 35 years of age. Hapo life sansnam man apply to the post block project manager and ta sansnam relaxation yaki SCST. Preferably from management, commerce, and engineering background. Should have a strong numerical and business finance understanding and skill. The data driven, open to learning and adaptable. The project executive farm livelihoods promotion PELFLP Lifeway Hajar Aspak kaching save nata qualification degree in agriculture, horticulture, forestry from a recognized university. The minimum 1 year of working experience in livelihoods related projects, enterprise promotion, farm activities, or graduate degree in animal husbandry and veterinary from a recognized university. Nata A 0 to 1 year of working experience in livelihoods related project, enterprise promotion, farm activities. The individuals having experience in training rural masses are preferred. Computer skills with emphasis on MS Office, Google Sheets, etc. Within 30 years of age. They have life husnam nanta relaxation sanasnam yaki STST kumang lai hakatuka condition begitu thok bangala police kaman. Tamantang ipet saka post block accountant. Essential qualification postgraduate, graduate degree in commerce, having working knowledge of tally, minimum 2 years experience in accounts and financial management, within 30 years of age, 5 years relaxation for STSC, and the Lifeway Aspak agency, and the block MIS coordinator. Essential qualification postgraduate or graduate degree in technology, computer science, information and technology, or computer application or a related field from a recognized university or institution. Minimum 1 years of experience in data entry, MIS management, data analysis and reporting. Proficiency in MIS software systems and tools such as ERP, enterprise resource planning systems and BI business intelligence tools. Computer skills with emphasis on Microsoft packages, Google Suite, etc. Proficiency in troubleshooting and support within 30 years of age. 5 years relaxation for STSC. The agency namta ni post block MIS coordinator kadai R Panriu Hajar. Taken at post southerly balapantep daka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihoods Society. Kanyotali ki light hapo Garo region, but Kanrutali hapo Khasi region. Tarik hado kadai Khasan tarik September araja rapusan link baka online application format. Sabuk kan advertisement hapo description but sabuk ro ka link online link ban apply ya kini kikam. Tangkini ki jipentep Laitkam hikai bala pentep daga Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society. Kublai sibo ni pi bar ro ka bapai ya kini ki jipentep.